Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So there's a news. We sold off our Ford Freestyle because it was getting little congested for all four of us to travel. So we bought a new one and we are heading to the showroom to get the new car. So see you all there. Finally got a new car, and that's the Citroën C3 Aircross, and we are at the showroom right now. We've done all the formalities and we're just waiting for the car. They've covered the car now and we are just waiting to receive it. We finally took the delivery of the car and now they are doing some final the fast tag thing and things like that, and then they'll remove the car outside and finally we'll take it. How's it?
Superb. Right now I'm just figuring out how to.
Finally got the delivery of the Citroën C3 Aircross Dark Edition, and we got the first delivery in Pune, so super excited, and I am already in love with this car, and just like Ford, I'm gonna take this car to places, so keep watching my vlogs. We'll take this car and explore the world.